In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your notifications on Temu. Whether you're looking to reduce the number of notifications flooding your device, or just want a bit more peace from the continual digital noise, this guide will walk you through each step smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Temu account. Open up your preferred web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever suits you best. Navigate over to the Temu website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your profile. Typically, you can find this in the top corner of the screen, represented by an icon or perhaps even a small photo if you've uploaded one. Clicking on your profile will bring you to a range of options tailored just for you. Now, the next thing you'll do is find the notifications section. This part is crucial because it's where you'll have control over what pings your phone or desktop. Once you've located notifications, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a wide array of settings that govern what alerts you'll receive. Promotional notifications, updates from brands, discounts, and deals fall under the promotions category. Since promotional materials are often what people seek to reduce or eliminate, focus your attention there. Take your time in the promotions section. You'll find an edit option. Select it. This is where the magic happens. As you go through the list, you'll see various options with toggles next to them. If you'd like to cancel all promotional notifications, ensure that every toggle here is switched off. This action means you won't receive promotional emails or updates, effectively minimizing the digital clutter in your life. By tailoring these settings to your preferences, you'll transform your Temu experience, making it far more manageable and personal. Once you're satisfied that everything unwanted is turned off, you're done. It's really as simple as that. No more being disturbed by a barrage of insignificant notifications every hour. Your phone and inbox will be clearer and your mind just a bit more at ease. It's amazing how such a small adjustment can contribute to a more serene online experience. So with those steps completed, you've successfully taken control of your Temu notifications. Congratulations on streamlining your digital life. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or if your needs evolve over time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical digital tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly decluttered online existence.